Now you observe here, after drawing the cube, okay, which is very simple diagram this cube is, right? Okay, now we have to go with the rectangulars uh, and pentagon and hexagon. Yeah, how to solve those problems, that is very crucial here. Okay, frustum is also you will come across with, and cylinder also you will come across with. All the geometrical shapes we have to draw. Okay, all the examples I will show you, okay, how to draw the cylinder, how to draw the pentagon, and how to draw the hexagon. Okay, only you have to remember two things. One is regular geometry, and another one is irregular geometry. Okay. What is the regular geometry and what is the irregular geometry? You have to understand before proceeding. Regular geometry is only having a four sides. Okay, irregular geometry means other than the four sides if you are having, that means it is a irregular geometry. Whatever the irregular geometries are there, first you have to convert it into the regular geometry, then we have to proceed for that. Okay, first one example we'll take. We'll have a okay, how to construct a pentagon is known to you. Okay, if we are having a 30 mm pentagon, how to begin with? First, length is highlighted. One time I will press the cursor and I will. Length is 40. The pentagon says 0. 0 means it is a base. Okay. Next, 40 mm. 40 mm, 72 multiplied by 40 mm, 72 multiplied by the 3. 40 mm, 72 multiplied by total 40 mm pentagon is constructed. Okay, now for the isometry, how to begin with this? First, what I will do, I will rotate this pentagon. I think you people are very familiar with these options. Okay. First, I will select the left corner of the base. Carefully, you have to select it. Left corner of the base. Then again, I will select the right corner of the base. Okay. Next, I will rotate this one into 90 degrees. Shifted on my left hand side. Okay. This one, I have to construct the isometric shape. Before proceeding that one, I need a center point of the pentagon. This much is sufficient. Next, what we'll do, we'll draw the line. These are the construction lines which are required essentially for to draw the pentagon in the software. What I told you people, you have to convert the irregular geometry in 5 sides, then we'll have a irregular geometries. This one, I have to convert it into the regular geometry. That is, I have to fit this one into a rectangle. Now this pentagon is fitted in the rectangular box. Now I will trim the extra lines. Now here we have splitted the lines. Splitted the lines is to avoid the time consuming in the isometric drawing. Okay, everything you have to measure it by using the smart dimension. Now I am constructing the pentagonal pyramid. Next we'll go for the pentagonal prism in the same dimension will go. Here, first I have to draw the rectangle. Okay, I told you irregular geometry, we have to convert it into the regular geometry, and that regular geometry I have to draw it first here, then we'll convert it into the pentagon. So here, I will name the sides here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, total 4 sides we are having. First we'll draw 1 to 2, and this 1 to 2 is splitted in 2 times. Okay, that one I will draw. You observe it carefully. The first dimension is 38.04. Don't draw entire line. Afterwards, it is very difficult to find this pentagonal point. Okay, first I will go with the 38.04 and angle is 30 degrees. Okay, still 1 to 2 is not completed. The remaining portion is, again I have to enter here length, that is 23.51 and the angle is 30 degrees. Okay, next 2 to 3 I will construct now. 1 to 2 is over. 2 to 3, first split up is 32.36. 32.36, angle is 150. And the second split up is again 32.36 and angle is 150 degrees. Okay, and 3 to 4 line. The first portion is 23.51 and the angle is minus 150 degree. And next one is second split up 38.04, angle is minus 150 degree. And now 4 to 1, you observe here total 3 split ups are there, first, second and third split up. Okay, the first split up is 12.36 at an angle of minus 30 degree and 40 mm at an angle of minus 30 degree and 12.36 at an angle of minus 30 degree. Okay, now I have drawn this outside the pentagon, that is rectangular box I have drawn. Now I have to place the pentagon. How to draw the pentagon here? Here end points you will observe. Simply you have to join. You observe for mic symbol, that will show you the end point. Then you have to join. Okay. Now we have completed the pentagon. Okay. Now we'll proceed. Once we have a pentagon, then we have to draw the midpoint. What is the midpoint here? 34.03 from this corner. Okay. From this corner, I have to select and I have to type 34.03. And what is the angle? The angle is, it is parallel to both the planes. That is, now we have a midpoint. Now if I want to construct this one as a pentagonal pyramid, then what I have to do? The pentagonal pyramid is having a 60 mm height, vertical line at a height of 60. Okay. Now this one I have to join to all the corners. This is another corner. This one is fifth one. Now you can observe this one as a pentagonal pyramid. The pyramid is very easy. From the center point, you measure the height, then you join the all corners. Next, in the same problem, we'll construct the pentagonal prism. Okay, if a prism is having a height of 50 mm, okay, how to construct to draw 50 mm? 50 mm axis length. Okay, next what we are doing? We have to select the base pentagon and copy this pentagon with the exactly center point. Okay, next you place the center point exactly on the center. Once you draw this one, then these two here, here. Okay, this pentagonal prism. Now, if you want to draw the frustum of a pentagon, frustum means the reduced pentagon on the top. Initially, it is having a 40 mm pentagon is there. Now, I want to convert this one into 20 mm pentagon. How to convert this one into 40 to 20? Here, I will select all the sides of pentagon. Okay, only the pentagon sides we have to select. Then come to the required is how much? 20 mm. The given is 40. You press the enter, then you place it. You will have a 20 mm pentagon. Then I have to move. Afterwards, what you have to do is you have to join all the corner points. Then you will have a frustum of pentagon. Okay. Likewise, you have to. Now this is the frustum